Manage your dream world tour here. In the help section you will get all your questions answered regarding dream destinations usage. Countries and destinations are two places where all your data is saved. List of countries are here and all your destinations will be added here. Enter place name, short description, status, state name of a place, and finally country. Choose your next destination by using filters like country, state name, and keep status as pending. Country and destination can also be added by this quick buttons. Buttons opens the same pages that we have just seen, but they are here for clarity. If you want to go through destinations by country, have a look at this. See all destinations by pending and visited status here. Filter them by country if required. Same all destinations details can also be seen and updated from here. Pick your next destination from here also by filtering all destinations. Get this Dream Destinations Notion template and other free and premium Notion templates from the link in the description. Thank you.